5 simple daily habits that will change your life. Hey, gorgeous souls! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that can truly make a difference in your life: simple daily habits. You know, those little things you do consistently that add up to big results? These are things anyone can do and they don't take much time, but their impact can be huge. Are you ready to upgrade your life? Let's get started. Alright, beautiful, let's kick things off with a habit that's near and dear to my heart: gratitude. How you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows, right? So why not begin by focusing on what's already amazing in your life before you even think about checking your phone or tackling your to-do list? Take a few moments to simply appreciate. Think about 3 things, big or small, that you're grateful for. It could be your health, the roof over your head, a delicious cup of coffee waiting for you, or even just the feeling of sunshine on your skin. Trust me, taking those few minutes to acknowledge the good stuff will shift your entire energy and have you feeling like you can conquer anything. Okay, my lovelies, this next habit is so simple yet so powerful. Drinking water first thing in the morning. Think about it. You just spent the last 6 to 8 hours, hopefully, sleeping, which means your body hasn't had any fluids for a while. Time to replenish and rehydrate. Before you reach for that coffee or tea, chug down a big glass of water. It'll do wonders for your body and mind, kickstart your metabolism, flush out toxins, and even make your skin glow. So make it a non-negotiable part of your morning routine. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 3. Walk it out. Alright, my friends, let's talk about movement. I'm not talking about crazy intense workouts here. Unless that's your jam, then go for it. I'm talking about something simple and accessible to everyone: a 10-minute walk. Seriously, even just a short walk can work wonders for both your physical and mental well-being. Feeling stressed or overwhelmed? Step outside, get some fresh air, and feel your worries melt away with every step. Take a walk during your lunch break, listen to a podcast or your favorite music, and soak in those mood-boosting benefits. Chapter 4. Unplug and unwind. Okay, gorgeous, this next habit is all about prioritizing your sleep and creating a peaceful bedtime routine. Ditch the screens at least 30 minutes before you hit the hay. That phone, tablet, or laptop, they're all emitting blue light, which can seriously mess with your sleep cycle. Instead of scrolling through social media or answering emails, choose a relaxing activity like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or journaling. It'll calm your mind, signal to your body that it's time to wind down, and set you up for a restful night's sleep. Chapter 5. Plan tomorrow today. Are you ready for our final game-changing habit? This one is all about setting yourself up for success before the day even begins. Before you drift off to dreamland, take just 5 minutes to plan out your next day. Just jot down your top priorities, create a simple to-do list, or even just visualize how you want your day to flow. This simple act of planning ahead will not only boost your productivity, but also ease any morning stress or overwhelm. When you wake up knowing exactly what you need to tackle first, you'll feel more in control, focused, and ready to conquer the world, or at least your to-do list. Outro, that's a wrap! There you have it, my loves. 5 simple yet powerful daily habits that can truly transform your life. The key is to start small, choose 1 or 2 habits to focus on first, and gradually incorporate the others as you go. So which habit are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. Subscribe to the channel for more life-changing tips and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay amazing.